Hello dear Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love reading for the second week of February, starting from the 10th of February to the 16th of February. Now this is going to be your exclusive love reading. So if you are in a situationship, relationship, complicated marriage, anything, please think of a question, then watch this reading. You will definitely get an answer. Alright, so your cards are already out. You have got the Master card and the Eight of Suns. And you have got the Ten of Spears and the Chariot. Okay, so first of all, I do see you coming into a very giving energy, right? If you were closed off, if you had your guards up, if you were not ready to commit, then definitely now is the time where you are thinking of giving in a relationship, caring for the other person, right? Taking care, financially giving, or giving time, or giving commitment, anything which you were not giving in the past. And if this is your partner's energy, your partner is now ready to give you the commitment to take care of you, to spend time with you. So I also see them changing their energies, because of which now you will have a beautiful relationship, right? If you were already in a relationship and you were stuck in that position for a very long time and not moving forward to marriage, that is going to change now, right? So that means your status is going to change. From single, you will get into a relationship. For relationship, you will get into a marriage. If you were complicated in a complicated marriage where your partner was not giving you time, then yes, that will also be moving forward to a peaceful home where he will be giving you a lot of time. For a lot of you, I'm getting a long distance energy where you and your partner are at a distance from each other, and or there was an emotional gap, emotional distance, and understanding, misunderstandings between the two of you. I also see that going away. I see your partner specially traveling and coming to see you, or you traveling and going to see them. Or if you are already in a relationship and everything goes smooth, I do see both of you traveling in the second week of February, right? So I do see it's going to be very beautiful. Maybe you're traveling for the Valentine. I do see suddenly your relationship will pick up. I know it has been stuck for a very long time, and you must be complaining that, ma'am, it's not moving forward, it's not moving forward. But trust me, I do see rapid developments in your life. A happy home. You will be spending a lot of time with family and friends and children. Because I see that maybe you or your partner were very focused on your finances and not more so in your relationship or marriage or your personal life, because of which it was getting affected. Now your focus will be on your love life and your married life, and you definitely are focusing at home as well, because of which I do see you your overall personal life moving forward, right? It's not stuck, it's not unhappy, moving forward to more blessings, to more happiness. So the second week, Capricorns, is going to be amazing for you. If you still think you have any questions, then please note I have already started taking international bookings as well. So if you are outside India, you can book a reading as well. I do personal readings and oracle love readings. If you're in India, then yes, the readings are already available. I had already announced this on my Hindi channel. So please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. And also for readings, you can either DM me on my Instagram channel, The Moksha Tarot, or you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. Okay, so take care of you guys, and comment if you resonated with this reading. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can also claim this positive energy by commenting. I claim this energy, I manifest this energy. Okay, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.